Hi everyone, my name is Ben. I'm the creative writing specialist at the Fresh Air Funds Nature Camp this summer. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own crossword puzzle. All right, we like doing crossword puzzles in the newspaper. Maybe our parents do. Maybe we had to do them at school. All right, but doing this, you're going to be able to make it your own and then um, share it with your counselors and your bunk if you're at a virtual camp, or share it with your parents or whoever may live with you, siblings, whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen just so we can see how to do it. All right. So you're going to go right to Google, and I've just Googled this. You're going to Google create your own crossword. Okay. You're going to go down to this one that says crossword puzzle maker, the teacher's corner. All right. It should be the second or third one that pops up, and you're going to go in. You can add a title. I titled this one earlier Camp Crossword. Okay, no need to change the instructions. But then what you're going to do is you're going to put the clues over here in this under where it says clues, and then the answers over under where it says words. The one thing that you do have to make sure you do is that if one of the answers has a space in it, so it's 2 words or 3 words, just don't put that space in it. Delete the space, because otherwise there will be a space, a whole box dedicated to that space in your crossword puzzle, and we don't want that. All right. So I have some things for in this crossword, right? But you can really make it your own, and put whatever clues and whatever answers you want. So for example, I have my favorite animal is a narwhal. Nature camp, obviously the best camp, and creative writing specialist, that's me, Ben, right? So, but if your name is maybe Johnny, right? And I don't know how to spell Johnny apparently. Johnny's favorite animal, and maybe your favorite animal is a cat, right? We could go and put your favorite animal in, okay? Then you're just gonna scroll down way to the bottom. When you're happy with all your clues, you're gonna scroll down way to the bottom and click here where it says make crossword puzzle. And it should pop right up, okay? This is a little annoying here to see the across. You have to go up here and hit this open close thing. So then all of the clues will appear, and you can actually just leave this up and bring whomever you want to do it over. Bring your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your aunt, whoever. Bring them over, and they can actually just type right in here, right? So one across my favorite animal, that was narwhal, and you can just do it right like that. Um, if you want to share it with your bunk, a great way to do that would be to go over here, open this back up where it says save as PDF. All right, so if you save it as a PDF, create the PDF, go ahead and download it. And then you'll get the PDF, and you can share your screen in your bunk time, and then use the annotate feature to fill it out. So you just put a little N-A-R, just like that. All right, so that's a great way to share it virtually. But if you're doing it with someone who's already with you, you can just leave it right up on your screen, and they can type in it. All right. I hope you enjoy making your very own crossword.